Shit! I have to make a buzzer. Let's go! That's it, my boy. Let's go. Woo! Oh man. No, 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 no. Yes! Oh my god. Oh shit. What's going on, everybody? My name is Victor, and this is my new channel. On this channel I'll do different things, what I want. But most of the time I will post gameplays with NBA Live Mobile with this career. Unfortunately, I made some big progress here without recording, so that's bad, but I'll buy a new phone as soon as I can, and I'll start a new career. I'll keep this, don't worry. But on that, I'll start from zero to record and show you guys, if you want, how it's done, and how you could get pretty good players, elites, and trophies, stuff like this. Yeah, this is my introduction video. This week, I don't know if the weekend or Friday, I'll drop a huge variety pack opening. It will be awesome. I have there some bad boys to go to my lineups. I hope it will be some good, nuts, trash, or boomies. Oh, Larry Johnson. Yeah. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll post as fast as I can. And yeah, I hope you like it. I don't have pretty much subscribers. I have only 2, but I think nobody will comment on this video. So after that pack opening, let me know in the comments below. What do you want me to do? I mean, pack openings, gameplays, tutorials, whatever. Just tell me and I'll do that. Because, you know, do whatever you want. Except selling my elites, of course. Yeah, so just 1 week till the season is starting in NBA, right? Pretty excited about that. I think you guys are too, but I'm talking just to people. I hope the number of my subscribers will go to 20, I think. I hope this month and in November. I hope. Yeah, so this was my first episode. We'll see next time. Peace.